Here are our new Dark Audio Industries sodium ion bar sets. These are 5-piece set, which makes a 90 amp hour bank with these cells. And then we also have a bar set for Eve 22 amp hour and 8 amp hour sapt cells. Uh, they work for both variations. This one would be a 222 amp hour bank, or 220, and then this would be an 80 amp hour bank. These are extremely high power cells. These are kind of like a mid rate. So this bank I rate for like 22K, and I believe this one is what would that be, 20K? Yeah. And this bank is good for like 10K. So thanks for watching, and we have subwoofers and amplifiers coming soon also, so stay tuned for that.